Excuse me, is this seat free?
Yes, of course. Please sit down.
Thank you. The weather is nice today.
Yes, it's very sunny. I like this weather.
Me too. I'm David.
Hi, David, I'm Emily.
Nice to meet you, Emily. Are you enjoying your book?
Yes, I am. It's a mystery.
Oh, a mystery. That's interesting. Do you like to read a lot?
Yes, I love to read. What about you?
I like reading, but I also like to walk in the park.
It's a good place for a walk. I often come here.
Me too. I live near here.
Oh, that's great. I am visiting.
Where are you visiting from?
I'm from a town called Oakwood.
Oakwood. That's not very far from here.
No, it's close. I'm here with my family.
That sounds fun. Are they also in the park?
No, they're at the museum.
A museum? What kind?
It's a history museum.
Ah, I like history. Maybe I should visit that museum sometime.
Yes, maybe. Are you going to walk here today?
Yes, I am. Maybe I can do my walk now.
Okay. Have a nice walk.
You too. Enjoy your book.
Thank you. It was nice talking with you.
It was nice talking with you too, Emily. Bye.
Goodbye, David.